Good morning, dear all. Yesterday I recommended 6 BTST stocks, F&O stocks for today trading. I think you remember. Starting from, I told you to Manappuram, then Abbott, India Cement, Bata India, TVS Motors, and Trent, Trent, Trent. Okay, I told you yesterday. But how to go about it? I told you to have a bear call spread. For all my paid customers, I released it on the day itself, on Friday evening itself, before 3:15, so that I'll tell them how to go about it. Now I'll reveal the truth, what I have told them. Manappuram closed at 179.55 on Friday. Okay. Now, how to take a bull call spread? So this is what is very important. So since it is very closer to 180, I told them to buy an at the money call 180 call. Okay, at 10 rupee 50 paise. It was trading at 10.50. It closed at 10.50. Then after buying this, Manappuram market lot is 6,000. Okay, so he has to invest around 60,000 rupees. I think 63,000. Okay, so after buying this, I told them to sell 200 call, the 200 call. Okay, this 200 call was quoting around 4 rupee 45 paise. Please check. It closed at 4.45. So now after that you have a sound sleep, no problem, because your whatever comes, your loss is not going to be more than 5 rupee. It is only 6 rupees. 10.50 minus 4.45. This is worst come worst, because you know the contract is October contract is ending on 28th October. So till that time, if it is not going up, if it is coming down below 180, then this 6 rupees is gone. Suppose if it assuming that if it is crosses 200, so this is 606 rupees into 6,000, that is 36,000 rupees is your profit. Simply I am telling. I think those people who can understand, you please understand. Others please ask me. Okay. So now how to go about it? What will happen today? Now after having purchased 10 rupee 50 paise, 180 call of Manappuram. So today the R1, the resistance, first one is, it comes to 12.7. Assuming that the second R2 is 14.9. Even assuming that it will reach today the first level, the first resistance level, so you make a 2 rupee 20 paise. That is 12.7 is the resistance, 10.5 is your rate. So 2 rupee 20 paise profit you have. That is 2 rupee into 6,000. At the same time, what is going to be your loss is this 200 call. It is from 4.45 what you sold it on that day. It will also reach 5 rupee 50 paise. That is the R1, and 6 rupee 50 paise R2. Okay, so the loss is only 1 rupee, whereas your profit is 2 rupees. 1 rupee means 6,000 rupees profit. You remember that. So this is what is the bull call spread. So in the 180 call, you make 2 rupee profit, and on the 200 call, you lose only 1 rupee. Even the matter of 1 rupee means it is 6,000 rupees. You can come out, you can see, and then because you verify that whatever I am telling you, you just go through that. You have enough time is there, but the thing is, be careful. Never have anything only on the call side. Never have only at the money call buying and simply leaving out of money call selling. As I told you, even for this strategy, you may have to shell out only 1 lakh, because already you are buying a 180 call. After that, if you sell 200 call, it comes because you just do it. Because if you have 1 lakh in your account, this will be permitted. Not a full margin is required, because this is the hedging technique. I have already 8 hedging techniques. This is one. Bull call spread is one. And I wanted to tell this Manappuram because there are about 6, because once if I underline this stock, the same thing applies for every stock, all the 6 stocks. Over is favorite of over, you just take that stock which is volatile, because there should be good open interest should be there. Even if you see Manappuram, the open interest is good at even at 200. You see there are 12 lakh contracts, and you just check, because already I have seen that. So 12 lakh contracts are there, 12 lakh, so that is in Manappuram. So what is that show? When the open interest is more, naturally it is likely to go up. The put option also, because the option writers are already, because they started writing at 160, 170. So you just go through the open interest also. But anyhow, keep it in your mind, never be greedy. This is the tantra, this is the mantra. So always you try to have it. 1 rupee means 6,000 rupees. I am sure that you make it even 50 paisa means also it is 3,000 rupees, because you don't expect that the miracles will happen in few minutes, because they will be dragging on. First they may go down, then after that it's coming down. But at the end of the day, or even tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it is easy for you. You just see, you try, and nothing is going to, because I'm sure that you can really enjoy only if you, by doing only, you can be you will be knowing things. Just seeing is very easy. Unless you plunge into action, you cannot, nothing is going to come. Okay, so this is what you have to do it. And anyway, all the best. So let us discuss afterwards. Okay, thank you.